So we start with the global market news update today. Wall Street closes higher as investor return to mega cap stock. US equity indexes climb as mega cap technology, communication services heavyweight advance in midday trading. European market rise as trader excess changed US political landscape. Dollar gains slight safe haven bids after Biden and re-election campaign. China economy is struggling due to a property crisis, local government debt, weak demand, and unemployment. Stocks rebound with Biden out and election plays scrambled. China has stopped nuclear arms talk with US over Taiwan support. Oil drops as investors look past Biden exit, focus on weak fundamental. So now going forward to Indian market. As far as Nifty is concerned, Nifty closed around negative 21 points, that is around 0.09% negative yesterday. So the immediate support level is yesterday's low around 24,407 and followed by 24,284. And the immediate resistance level would be 24,754 followed by 24,977. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, Bank Nifty closed around flat yesterday, around 14 point positive, that is 0.03%. So the immediate support level would be yesterday low only 51,892 followed by 51,638, and the immediate resistance level would be 52,773 and 52,959. As far as mid cap is concerned, mid cap closed around 716 point positive, that is around 1.28%, and the immediate support level would be the same yesterday's low 55,441 followed by 54,973, and the immediate resistance level would be 57,537 and 58,000 levels. As far as a small cap is concerned, the small cap closed around 165 point positive yesterday, that is around 0.90%. The immediate support level would be yesterday low only 18,065 point followed by 17,763. And the immediate resistance level would be 19,000 level followed by 19,168. Now coming to the sector update, we seen the positive in shipbuilding, IT and telecom. The opportunities are in fast moving consumer good, infrastructure, agriculture, construction material sector. And the top deliveries are hospitality sector and continues to be shipbuilding, the top delivery sectors. Basket recommendation update. So we continue with the best FMCG stock basket, and the expected return is around 10%. And the second is best pharma stock basket, which is same expected return 10%. Analysis for the performance review is in large cap, it is positive 2.24%. In auto sector, it is slightly negative, that is 0.01%. And in private bank also, it is slightly negative 2%. So we continue to hold all the three baskets.
And today we'll be having the budget, so it's important there will be a volatility into the market. We'll watch out what's changes going to happen in budget, like taxation, infrastructure is most expected into the market. So we'll watch out the changes into the budget, today's budget, where finance minister is going to give more weightage, whether it is in defense sector, whether it is in infrastructure, or whether it is in other sectors. We need to watch out. So today there will be a volatility and option prices are very high. So it depends on the traders or participants how they are going to react on the budget. So need to be a little more cautious. So yeah, that was the suggestion.